Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, as you can see by that little box that was over at the side, Battlbox is back in the shop. Now, full disclaimer, I already opened to make sure every item I'm supposed to get is in here. Now, stay tuned after we roll that intro, and as you can hear in the background, we got a special guest today on the channel. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of the channel, this video is going to be a little different than every other Battlebox video out there. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for finding the channel and giving me a couple seconds of your time. Now, for you first timers and you long timers who haven't done it yet, look down there in that corner. You're going to see a little channel watermark. I believe it's going to be in that corner popping up. Click on it, hover over it, whatever you got to do, it's going to pull up and give you subscribe. Knock it out the way early and you ain't got to worry about it for the rest of the day. Now, as you saw by that title, we're going to take a look at Battlebox Mission 49. It's called, well, what? Adventure, oh, sorry. Back to Basics at the basic level. Now, I know lots of other people out there give you, like, you know, the Pro Plus, the Knife of the Month Club, and all these other levels. I like to take a look at the basic because sometimes I think there's a lot of hidden gems in there that are really, really overlooked. As we usually do, that's what comes in this month's box. Now, right here with this level, from my understanding, those haven't been shipped out yet because UPS has yet to deliver the takedown bows. Weird, huh? But, you know, I caught that this morning on the Battlebox News Network, and Curran, dude, that was really damn funny how you did that. Alright, so let's bring in our special guest, and let's get this thing rolling. Of course, now she's hiding. Come on, I'll put that on the table. She's got a mouthful of food, so this is going to take just a moment longer. Hey, hurry up. If you want to be in this video, hurry up. You want to be in the video?
Yeah.
Well, then come here. Come here, come here. As you guys heard, the cuteness factor is back. Yeah. All right. So the first item we've got up is the Be Smart, Get Prepared First Aid Kit. Want to hold that up? All right, guys. Little kit, just like that. All right, hold on. Let go. There's all the wonderful stuff on the back of, you know, what's inside it. Now let's just open her up really, really quick.
And hope I know what's inside it.
Yeah, stuff.
There's a second zipper.
Okay, easy. Yeah, it's just your basic little standard kit you can get from inside of Walmart. Matter of fact, I hate to say this, Battlebox, I think I saw this hanging inside my local Walmart. I know I'm going to go check there later, but, you know, it's okay. Because if you do what I do, and somehow a bunch of these come to you, and especially if you do subscription boxes, you're going to get a first aid kit or 3 during the year. You just combine them all into a bigger one. Alright, next item up. Oh, sorry, the first aid kit has a $24.99 value. Now, next item up is Zippo Typhoon Matches. Alright, hold them up. Alright, guys, these pretty much just look like the Yuko, you know, the wind-resistant ones. Hey. No big deal.
Hey, you can't see my hands.
Okay, good. Here, let go. I gotta turn it around. Alright, there's the info from the back of the box. From my understanding, yeah, water-resistant case, Typhoon Matches, water-resistant, floats in water, Alright, if these are like the Yuko ones, basically you can strike them, dip them in a cup full of water, and they're gonna stay burning under that water. What?
Hey, why did you say all white?
I don't know. Daddy seems to do that a lot. But that has a $11.95 value. Now, I will say it just like this, okay? The next item up is a Lord & Field Trail Notes leather notepad. Alright. Hey, hold that up. Okay, there's the leather notepad. Now, my first thought, because this has a value of $27.99.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know, right? There's the inside. with these little slits that are in there to help store some stuff, maybe pens or whatever. But I was like, okay, so are you going to get like a trail notebook? Pretty much that's all that's in there is graph paper. I'm not even sure if this is Right in the Rain paper. So let's go to the back of the box here. Hold on. They say it's a passport-sized leather notebook. It's perfect for keeping track of projects, sketching out your newest idea, or when you're supposed to be taking notes of that important meeting. Inside pockets are for cards, 30 sheets of grid paper. So it doesn't really say that it's like Right in the Rain, water resistant, that kind of stuff. I don't know if it's a $30 value because I really don't know the price of leather work. Alright? I can't say that I think it's overvalued. I'm just shocked that something like that's in the basic and that's not the huge ticket item. I don't know, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna look into like leatherwork and other stuff and see how much something like that may go, because honestly I'm really curious. Now the last item up is Scalp organic roasted pumpkin seeds. Wanna hold that up?
Yeah.
Ah. There you go. Here, let's move it over here. Move your hands a little so they can see the package. There we go. Alright guys, that just has the $2.39 value. And I love they're like non-GMO, gluten-free, and the pack contains 10 grams of protein. It is vegan and kosher. Okay. Grown without a shell, these roasted pumpkin seeds, papitas, have a rich, dark color. Never really tried pumpkin seeds before, but this is going to go in like a get-home bag. That way I've got a snack in there. Alright, you. So we got to do a little wrap-up. So say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Tell them watch more videos.
Watch more videos.
Alright, go on. Alright guys, so that's all the items in the basic box. Okay, one moment. Let me wrap this up, okay? I like the fact we got fire. I like the fact they gave us first aid. But I swear to God, I saw something incredibly, very similar to this hanging in my local Walmart. And I'm not even sure on the price on that, so I'm not even going to criticize this. Any bandages you can get, any first aid stuff you can get. Now granted, this is not a trauma bag. This is an ouchie boo-boo bag for around the house. Which is going to come in handy because, well, I need more around my house all the time. Anybody who's watched my step-parent series knows I have 3 kids around my house. Man, they break stuff, they get scraped, they get cut, they have problems. But, with that being said, this is the big head scratcher for me, okay?
1, 2, let's go.
Yeah, I know.
That means free.
I want to give Daniel Dabbs all kinds of credit, and I'm going to wrap this video up, I promise, because I don't want it to go long. I want to get it uploaded. He created a business to honor his great-grandfather. That's phenomenal. We've already shot a review on their field hand folding knife. I haven't uploaded that to YouTube yet. I need to get on that. I like the fact he did that. I just hope that it doesn't go the way of Alpha Outpost and start mass marketing crap gear. And that's the only way I can put it. I'm with you, just like I was on Battletech right in the beginning with that double locking karambit. I like what you're doing so far, Mr. Dabbs. I really, truly hope it goes forward. Now, with that fun stuff being said, here comes the great part. I know it's only the basic level. I want to know what you guys think. Basically, I paid with shipping and handling $46. Well, shipping, handling, and tax. They say the value is $67.32 on the basic level. So keep that in mind. I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever you want, man, down below. You know I'm going to get back with you and we're going to have a frank, honest discussion about this month's Battlbox. Do I think it's lost its way? No. I really don't. Alright, I know they're... Hold on, baby. I know they're trying to redo a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm still hanging in there to see where they go. Now, with that being said, here we go with the wrap-up. For you first-time viewers of the channel, like I said in the beginning, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. I know you have a crap load of options out there, and I'm very flattered you chose this one. Now, for you first-timers and you long-timers who did not do it at the beginning of the video, look down there. Okay, that's going to be a bigger channel symbol popping up this time. Click on that, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and destroyed that subscribe button, please beat up the bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time we upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up. Anyone want to guess? That's right. Over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we go, guys. Battlebox. Mission 49, Back to Basics, is in the books. Have a great one, folks, and see you on the next video.